In a stunning victory, an AI-powered drone called Swift has beaten 3 world champion human drone pilots in a series of head-to-head races. The races were held on a 3D course with gates that the drones had to pass through cleanly to avoid a crash. The drones reached speeds of up to 50 mph, 80 km/h, and endured accelerations up to 5G, enough to make many people black out. Swift won 15 out of 25 races and clocked the fastest lap on the course. The researchers say that Swift's victory marks the first time that an AI system has outperformed human pilots in a real physical sport designed for and by humans. Swift was trained using a combination of real-world data and simulation. The real-world data was collected from the 3 human pilots as they raced on the course. The simulation data was used to generate additional training data and to test Swift's performance in different conditions. The researchers say that Swift's victory is a significant achievement for AI and robotics. It shows that AI systems can now be used to develop robots that can outperform humans in complex and challenging tasks. The researchers believe that Swift could be used for a variety of applications, such as search and rescue, delivery, and surveillance. They also believe that Swift's victory could lead to the development of even more powerful AI-powered robots in the future. The AI system that powers Swift is a deep reinforcement learning algorithm. This type of algorithm learns by trial and error, gradually improving its performance over time. Swift was trained on a dataset of over 100,000 race simulations. This allowed the algorithm to learn the complex dynamics of drone racing and to develop strategies for winning races. Swift is still under development, but the researchers believe that it has the potential to become even more powerful in the future. They are working on improving the algorithm's ability to learn from new data and to adapt to changing conditions. The development of Swift raises some important questions about the future of drone racing. Some people believe that AI-powered drones will eventually replace human pilots in drone racing. Others believe that human pilots will always be able to compete with AI-powered drones because of their creativity and intuition. It is still too early to say what the future holds for drone racing. However, the development of Swift is a significant milestone in the field, and it is sure to spark a lot of debate about the future of this exciting sport. As AI-powered drones become more powerful, they will be able to compete in more challenging races. This could lead to the development of new and exciting racing formats. AI-powered drones could also be used to train human pilots. This could help human pilots to improve their skills and to compete more effectively against AI-powered drones. The development of AI-powered drones could also have implications for the safety of drone racing. If AI-powered drones are able to fly more safely than human pilots, this could lead to a reduction in accidents. Overall, the development of Swift is a significant milestone in the field of drone racing. It is still too early to say what the future holds for this sport, but it is clear that AI is playing an increasingly important role.